Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to make vanilla cupcakes. This vanilla cupcake is so easy to make and it is moist. If you don't feel like beating butter and sugar or you don't have a hand mixer, then this recipe is for you. Add 213 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, add 1½ teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve it, then mix it. Add 200 grams of sugar, mix and set aside. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. We need 3 large eggs, add 170 grams of melted butter. You can substitute with oil. Add 3/4 cups of buttermilk. Add a tablespoon of vanilla. Mix well and set aside. Add the wet ingredient to the dry ingredient. Mix it until there are no lumps and be careful not to overmix it. This recipe produces 16 to 18 cupcakes. Line your cupcake pans and fill it to thirds, not too full and more than halfway. Bake in a preheated oven at 177 degrees Celsius for 17 to 20 minutes. I baked this cupcake for exactly 18 minutes. I hope you liked the video and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a thumbs up.